Hello everyone. Today Hoang Nguyen would like to guide you to assemble a prefabricated handmade paper mold set. Step 1. Arrange the mold details as shown below. Step 2. You assemble the two ends 11 and X together. Head 11 and head IX have been mounted. Step 3. You assemble the two ends IIX and IIX together. IIX head and IIX head are already mounted. Step 4. You assemble the two number 4 ends together. Terminal 4 has been mounted. Step 5. You assemble the two ends of number 1 together. Head 1 has been mounted. Step 6. You assemble the two ends of number 2 together. Terminal 2 has been mounted. Step 7. Assemble the two number 3 ends together. Terminal 3 has been mounted. Step 8. Assemble the two number 5 ends together. Terminal 5 has been mounted. Step 9. Assemble the two number 6 ends together. Head 6 has been mounted. Step 10. You assemble the two number 7 ends together. Header 7 has been mounted. Step 11. You assemble the I head into I and 2 head into 2 and all the remaining bars into their respective positions. The lower die has been assembled completely. Step 12. Continue to assemble the upper frame of the mold. You assemble the two ends X and 11 together. X and 11 heads have been mounted. Step 13. Assemble the two ends IIX and IIX together. IIX and IIX heads have been mounted. Finally, you install the mold anti-distortion bar, anti-distortion, with 2 small screws and you're done. The assembly is complete. I wish you success. Hoang Nguyen would like to say goodbye and see you again in the next videos.